Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on Monday the 20th of October 2025. So this morning we're seeing this quite speckled cloud over the country, and that is hinting at showers and longer spells of rain, and these are heaviest and most prolonged in the east of the country. Looking at the latest radar map, yep, that is very much in evidence. Some heavy bursts going through in Waterford up towards Kilkenny, also as well near Dublin, and for parts of England and Wales. And there's some heavy showers, especially focused on areas south of the line from say Birmingham to Aberystwyth and Cambridge. So these areas are seeing heavy showers and longer spells of rain, and these will get more widespread as the day goes on today. So moving on to the UKV high res. This is yesterday's 15 set. You can see what's going on this morning. Heavy showers and longer spells of rain in parts of the east of the country, east of Ireland, and also in many areas of South Wales and central and southern England. Now through Monday itself, as the sun rises and creates some thermals, we'll see some convection, and showers will get that bit more intense. So anywhere from Wexford up towards Belfast and Antrim, and so that part of Ireland, that eastern strip, as well as anywhere really in Wales and England, you could be seeing heavy showers. And into the end of the day, we could see some more light patchy rain into parts of the west of Ireland. But between that bit of light patchy rain and the showers in the east, for many parts of the Midlands of Ireland, I think Monday will be quite a decent day. Going through into tonight, we'll see the low shifting away, and that will allow the winds to flood in from a more westerly direction overnight. So that will bring showery rain into parts of western and northern parts of the Ireland and the UK. But otherwise, it's quite a dry night, some clear spells and patchy clouds. Tuesday morning starts again with showery rain in parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England and Scotland. And this rain will push further eastwards through Tuesday. The best on Tuesday, the best of the weather will be reserved for more southern regions, and the further north you are, the more likely you are to see showery bursts of rain, but nothing too heavy, I think, on Tuesday, compared to Monday anyway. Into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, we see more widespread clear spells and only some showers peppering parts of western Scotland. These quite light and moderate. Into Wednesday morning itself, well, on Saturday we spoke of the likelihood of another area of low pressure to push in, but there was huge uncertainty regarding its depth and therefore its intensity. And there was a chance, about 30% chance at the time, that we would run a named storm through because of some very strong winds on its southern flank, affecting Ireland, Wales and England. But let's see how this UKV run handles it then. So you can see what's going on here. So Wednesday evening, we start to see some showers merging into longer spells of rain in Ireland, and that is ahead of this massive rain that does move up Wednesday night, initially affecting mainly central, southern and eastern Ireland, and then moving into many parts of Wales and England. So a proper old soaker there through Wednesday night and Thursday morning, and that will clear away. Probably some strong winds on that southern flank. We will look at the winds in a moment. And Thursday is looking showery in many areas of the west, but that prolonged rain does linger on for some time in the east, unfortunately. And going through towards Friday, regardless of what happens with this area of low, we will end up in a much colder northerly airflow. So let's go back to Wednesday afternoon and evening, and we'll turn on the wind gusts. Yeah, let's do that. So initially, before that low even moves in, it'll be very calm. On Wednesday, the calm before the storm maybe. And then, that's the wrong one. Wind gusts. There we go. I thought something looked a bit off there. Okay, wind gusts. Either way, quite calm on Wednesday evening. in quite a few areas, but getting a bit gustier towards Wales and Devon and Cornwall. And going through into the overnight period, we can see some strong winds forming. So it seems like that low will intensify as it moves over parts of Wales and England. And suddenly, by 6 a.m, you've winds strengthening through the Irish Sea, down through St George's Channel and into Devon and Cornwall. And let's see, as we push through Thursday itself, just generally quite windy, quite breezy in Ireland, but many areas of Wales, England, even inland, wind gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour. So that is quite strong, would warrant a yellow warning. And through the Channel and into parts of Normandy there, you can see wind gusts possibly getting above 70 miles per hour. And through the afternoon, these winds get even stronger in parts of Lincolnshire, Eastern England, and also into Suffolk and Norfolk there, Kent maybe, Cambridgeshire. Wind gusts there, even inland, between 60 and 70 miles per hour. And these winds digging back in across the northern edge of the low into parts of Northumberland there. And into the evening, that low to shift away. And we see some strong winds, yes, down the North Sea coast from a northerly direction on Friday morning. And yeah, Friday, winds do abate in many areas, but strong winds do persist down that North Sea coast. So definitely one to watch. Let's see what the temperatures are showing. So really, I'll whiz through these because there's nothing too exciting coming up through the next week, really. So you can see today, really, mid-teens for a high. Tonight, pretty mild, about 10 degrees. Tomorrow, Tuesday, again, low to mid-teens. Tomorrow night, though, a bit cooler, possibly down to 4 or 5 degrees in some areas. And Wednesday, again, a bit cooler. It'll be a cooling week, this one. So Wednesday, about 9 to 12. Starting Thursday morning at about 5 to 8. And Thursday afternoon, actually, well, okay, I might have spoken soon. There is something interesting going on. I can't remember it. Yeah, we do see a lot of rain and clouds, so that will help really cap those temperatures in that cooler air mass there. So by Thursday, we do start to see that cooler air mass pushing in. So parts of many areas of Ireland, Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England, we'll see temperatures of below 10 degrees on Thursday, so that is really quite cold, definitely quite chill. Starting Friday morning with temperatures, actually those temperatures won't be falling too much through Thursday nights. That's because we'll still see some cloud around, some showery rain, and quite keen wind as well. And then Friday afternoon, possibly a bit milder because of an increase in sunshine. But really, the main culprit for these temperatures on Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon even, will be that more cloud and rain. So here's the midnight run GFS. So you can see what's going on here. We have low pressure pushing in from the west, excuse me, through today, and that will bring showers and longer spells of rain. Into tonight and tomorrow, we'll see more showery rain pushing through parts of the west and north. Now, this low does spin up here near Normandy and the Channel here on Thursday at midnight, and that does just about miss the strongest winds of that. Just about miss England and Wales, I think. And then we just end up there, quite breezy and showery, right up until Friday and Saturday, where we do see, it's raining heavily right now. Just started raining here. Northerly wind for Saturday, Sunday, and into the following week, we do see it turning more westerly in the end. Halloween is looking quite cool and showery, I think. And start of the new month of November is looking again more westerly, so nothing too thrilling there from this GFS. Here's the ECM. It says yesterday's 12 dead because it's really early and the midnight run has not yet come out at all. It'll start to come out at 7 a.m. and finish at 8 a.m. and by that point I'll be not here. So through into Listen, it's raining. Can you hear that? Quite loudly as well. Anyway, so going through into Tuesday, showery rain pushing into the west and north. Wednesday and Thursday, this low does generate on the jet stream, and it does, in fact, give many areas of England and Wales a blow. So that might be a named storm on Thursday, so just watch the space. Could be quite severe. Northerly winds for Saturday, quite cold, and the high pressure does topple to our west by Sunday, and that will allow a more northwesterly winds before, through the following week, that high pressure does end up being over the Bay of Biscay, allowing in a westerly airflow, but probably quite dry for a time. Halloween on this run is looking mild and dry. And the start of November goes very mild, exceptionally mild, with long fetched southerly or southwesterly winds, upper temperatures with this, almost at 15 degrees. That's very mild. So here is the UK Met run. UK Met is looking showery today, showery tomorrow. Wednesday, that low brings some strong winds to parts of southeast England. Beyond that, we just see generally quite breezy and showery weather, cooling as well. And then into the weekend, quite cool and showery with northwesterly winds. GEM. Same thing really today, with showers and longer areas of rain. Going through into Tuesday, Wednesday, this low spawns on the jet stream, and let's see what it does. It doesn't really become a storm. So I say max wind gusts with that are about 50 to 60 miles per hour on parts of the eastern British coastline. But apart from that, it doesn't really get as truly stormy winds possibly until it's affecting parts of the Low Countries. Moving on to the weekend, northerly winds push through, and we see the jet stream on a northwest to southeast alignment, and that will keep things quite cool and unsettles into the last week of October. Icon, bringing in showers and longer spells of rain. If I got paid like €10 each time I said showers and longer spells of rain in this video, I'd be rich, because that is what's going on. Let's see, into Wednesday, this low starts to form on the jet stream. It brings stormy winds possibly to the east and south of the UK, so that is one to watch. As I've said to you, this other low then dives in from Scotland. Might bring some very strong winds to parts of the west of Northern Ireland there for a time as well. Then going through to the weekend, northerly winds before that does turn more westerly as the high does topple. And finally we have the arpege, showers and longer spells of rain through today and tomorrow. Same old. And let's see how that low behaves. It actually just stays well to our south, and the winds with that really go to France. And beyond that, we just go northerly and cold into Friday. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Showers and longer spells of rain, and possibly a storm on Wednesday and Thursday in the UK, in more eastern areas especially. And after that clears through, generally quite showery for a time, before on Friday we pull into quite a cold northerly wind. And that will set the scene for the weekends. And then beyond that, we are likely to see the high toppling, as it always does, because we have to return to a westerly wind somehow. And yeah, that looks likely to be the story. Thanks for watching. I'll see you. Bye for now.